gum?
The guy in the chicken costume left his...
Heart of the beast.
No, put your chicken costume back on. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video. So we are over here at the local Cars and Coffee this morning. This is where we're gonna start the vlog off today. So let's walk around and let's check out what cool cars are here. Let's do it. We do got my own baby just posting out here, looking good as usual. If you guys didn't notice, I might have added something to the windshield. You know, just a small decal. But yeah, parked next to some. I guess this is the Black Crew. I don't know. First thing that caught my eye was this NSX. You don't see too many of these, especially down here. But just the all the body lines on this car are so good. Looks so sleek in person. I'm not really sure why they're not that popular. I think it's just because of the price, maybe the hybrid drivetrain. Not really sure, but it's such a sleek looking car. I personally have always loved these things. I wanted one of these for the longest time. I think they're so cool. Just the whole kind of wagon hatchy thing about it, and then just being badass like this. Just, you know, just slammed on some nice ass wheels. I don't know, man. Oh, spotted. You do not see too many of these things either. These little Alphas. This is kind of another car that's kind of on my bucket list in terms of just like, I want one. I want one and I want it now. Looks so nice. Pretty good showing today. Pretty crowded. And the sun just came up, so there's that. You guys remember this thing from the Get Ratchet meet. Now it's a good opportunity to actually kind of see it in the light. Oh wow. Wow, that is super clean. This thing is nasty. Yeah, he rolled through right at the end of the Get Ratchet meet, my last couple videos there, but dang, super clean. I can dig the color. So this guy over here is definitely the one that did that little flyby for us at the beginning of the video. This thing sounded so good. It's obviously the V10. I really like the wing he's got going on back here. These cars just, I don't know, they just need a wing. I don't know. Same thing with the Gallardo. Of course, this does have the awesome taillights that I love so much. Got a Viper. Got another Viper over there. Big wang. 650S. 650S though, it's a dream car. This thing sounds pretty mean though. Yes sir, may I have some more? Uh-oh, what is this? What is this? Hard flex. Hard flex. Oh man. At least he parked right next to me. LP700-4. This is nasty. Just, yeah. Don't really have anything else to say about it. Just the subtle flex. That's all you need. That's all you need, guys. This Raptor is just suddenly flexing over here. I can't believe he managed to get up on that curb. Pretty impressive. Bobbing and weaving to get the footage. Bobbing and weaving. Oh, he's parking right here. It's actually a Performante. Look at that Porsche. Oh, that's sick. I heard you like wings, brah. I heard you like wings. I mean, Performante is cool and all, but you know, look at those deep dish. legit. Like the color. Sick. Casually a Ford GT, casually a Ford GT. Got the Model 3 crew over here. Actually, I really haven't seen one of these in person. Whew, that white interior. That big screen in the middle. I will say they've got the very simplified look down pat. Not sure if the big screen thing is for me, but cool nonetheless. Check this out. This DB11 is nasty. I have not seen one of these in person yet, but this looks nice, if I do say so myself. Wow. Looks even better in person, guys. This thing is sick.
And if it helps the breed, why not? Why not? Their Instagram, Facebook, the whole 9 yards.
Literally one of the nastiest back ends I've ever seen. Oh my god. It's just sick. Sounds good. Checking out the interior. So yeah. Really clean interior. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for the Cars and Coffee. We're going to head out to our next endeavor today. I just wanted to show you guys a couple of these cool things, and yeah, let's continue on with the vlog.